Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing, and this time a watch I didn't have on my list at all, to be honest, and I just bought it on an impulse. As you can see, it's a Tissot, and there was the Black weekend, the Black Friday deals, but actually this wasn't one of them. And one guy was just selling it online, sent him an offer, which I thought, okay, he might say no, but he said yes. And yeah, the watch is here. So if you do like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. So let's see what we have. As you can see, the Tissot Sideral. I have here the barcode. Register the watch. So, very simple box. Here we have the Tissot Sideral Powermatic 80. This one has the reference number T145 407 97 5702. I'll leave it in the description below. It has a 41 diameter, around 42 more, 44 lug to lug, thickness around 14, and lug width 20, I think, yeah, 20. Oops, I wasn't showing it to you guys, sorry about that. And what I like about the watch is two things. The carbon case, this marbled carbon case, which is in this price range is crazy, and the strap is such a cool strap. Watched a couple of videos when they were talking about the design of the strap. Really nice. Red goes well with it, and it's also quick change strap. So as you can see, you can quickly change them. So let's measure this again to measure it correctly at 20 millimeters. And I even ordered these ones. I hope they fit. I think they do, because they're from Tissot as well. So what I thought after I saw this watch is I'll order one of these straps in black and put them on the watch, and then I have this model which is non-existent, which is basically black on black, because the blue one has some blue elements, the yellow has yellow elements, this inner circle, inner bezel, but this one has a gray one. So I thought black on black would go well, and to be honest, I think it goes really well. Yeah, let's go back to the video. So this is the Powermatic 80. Like I said, 300 meters water resistance, screw down crown. As you can see, you can move it, it changes the day. Let's screw it back. The loom is another thing that's really nice on this watch. As you can see, you have loom on the bezel, you have loom on the inner circle, and you have loom on the hands. So as you can see, I'll try to take a couple of pictures. Some of the video comments were that you wanted to see the loom pictures of the watch. So what I will do, I will post always a short video of the watch in a dark room with a loom, like a time lapse with 10 minutes and 10 seconds. So you can see how it will look like after 10 minutes. So I think that would be a nice addition. Anyways, I'll show it to you on my wrist. So I have 17.1 centimeter wrist, and as you can see, it does go really well from the back side. I think it would be a really nice watch for my vacations, because I think it will. I don't have also a carbon forged one, so that's another addition. So that's why I added it. Yeah, and I think I'll do this. I'll put this watch now here, and I'll do my, let's say, impressions of the video afterwards. So for you it will be 1 second later, for me maybe 1 week later, but I will be back to you in 1 second. So we're back with the Tissot Sideral S, and this is how it performed after maybe a week of wearing it almost every day. So +5, excellent. Amplitude still very high, 267, and beat error 0.5 milliseconds. Okay, that's that's something that should be a little bit less, but yeah, it's still keeping good time. When I was wearing it also keeping very good time. So what I did since the unboxing is that, let me stop this, take this off. So what I did is I replaced the red Tissot strap that came with the watch after washing it, because the watch was a bit dirty. And I put on this black strap on it, which I think complements it really well, especially the black on black look, especially that the inner bezel or the inner counter is not red colored like the other models, which is blue and the yellow. So this has gray on it, so maybe a gray strap would be also really nice, but I thought this black one would look really nice. Tried other straps with it, didn't work really well, and I didn't want to push the metal inside the carbon so I don't break the carbon, and then I have an unusable watch, because if the carbon case is broke, there is nothing you can do about it. So I thought, okay, I'll just leave it on these straps, wear it only on these straps. And let me get this out of the way. Oops, that would also break the carbon. To be honest, I'm really happy I got this carbon watch, because it's not expensive, and I know now for a fact I shouldn't own a carbon or ceramic watch, because this watch fell twice until now, and twice I saved it in the last second. So I'm really worried about this watch, but at the same time, I'm happy that I didn't get an more expensive watch like the Tudor or something even more expensive in carbon or ceramic before I had this one. So that's the good point. The other excellent point is, oops. The other excellent point is the loom. The loom is excellent on the watch, as you can see. It had loom on the bezel, loom on the inside ring, and loom on these two green and red, like how do you call it, regatta counters. And I think it's, yeah, let me put it on my wrist. So this is how it looks. 17.1 centimeter wrist, a little bit big, but I think for the summer it will be really nice, especially the black on black, especially swimming. I think this will be my new swimming watch instead of the G-Shocks, because of all the scratches that this case will take without showing at all. That's the idea of having carbon, scratch resistance, but brittle at the same time. So that's about it from the unboxing and first impressions of this Tissot Sideral Powermatic 80. If you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button, and as always, here is the subscription button and 2 videos on the left and on the right that might interest you as well. Thanks everybody for watching. See you in the next one.